Welcome to the world of investing. Today, we're diving into how you can kickstart your investment journey with just $100. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, I'll guide you through effective strategies to grow your initial investment. Don't worry if you're new to this. I'm here to help you navigate simple methods that lead to financial growth. Let's embark on our journey into the world of investing. First, let's delve into the magic of compound interest. Imagine your $100 not just generating returns, but also earning more from those returns. The power of compounding can dramatically boost your investment over time. So, what's the best starting point for your $100? A smart choice for beginners is a high-yield savings account or a certificate of deposit. These options are secure, ensuring your principal amount is safe and you receive a steady, albeit modest, return. For those looking to step further, consider the stock market. It might seem intimidating, but with fractional shares, you can own parts of major companies without needing to buy a full share. With just $100, you can invest in industry giants like Apple, Google, or Amazon. Let's also explore mutual funds and ETFs. These are professionally managed collections of stocks or bonds. Investing in these spreads your $100 across various assets, reducing risk and simplifying the investment process. Another exciting option is peer-to-peer lending, where your $100 can be loaned to individuals or small businesses. This choice carries more risk, but can yield higher returns compared to traditional investments. Don't forget the importance of investing in your financial education. The returns on investing in knowledge are immense. Consider using part of your $100 to buy books, enroll in online courses, or attend finance seminars. It's essential to do your own research or seek advice from a financial advisor to customize the best investment strategy for you. Remember, every successful investor started with a first step, and yours begins with this $100. Maintain your enthusiasm, stay informed, and watch your investments flourish. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to assisting you in growing your investments in upcoming videos. Let's delve deeper into compound interest. Imagine reinvesting your earnings, allowing your investment to grow exponentially over time. This principle is a fundamental building block of wealth, transforming modest amounts into significant fortunes. Further exploring the stock market, consider exchange-traded funds or ETFs, which provide a cost-effective way to diversify. ETFs track indexes like the S&P 500, offering a balanced investment through a single transaction. In peer-to-peer lending, diversification is crucial. Spread your investments across multiple loans to reduce risk. This strategy enhances the chances of consistent returns even if some loans fail. As we conclude, remember that the journey of investing begins with a single step, and every piece of knowledge acquired is a step towards financial independence. Set clear objectives, remain disciplined, and continuously educate yourself to master the complexities of the financial markets. Thank you once again for your time. Keep learning, keep investing, and let's achieve your financial dreams together.